Tức là con muốn đi du lịch đi lên đi chơi.
Ôi. Ê, bye nha. Anh tin bye nha.
begins in 5 lights time, and the Monaco Grand Prix is underway. We get the launch from the line from Charles Leclerc. He's going to maintain the lead. Could be second place for Ferrari. They go side by side with Piastri and Sainz duking it out. But the Australian driver kept second place. The top 4, the top 5 as they were. As Leclerc gets the launch that he needed. But is that a problem? Is that an issue? Looks like the sparks out of the back of the car. For Sainz, he has got a problem. He's off and he's out. Come
want to make that lunge? Does he have to make that lunge? He's a racer. He'll go for it if it's there, but it's not quite there. On this occasion, Verstappen a few car lengths ahead, but gets a really bad exit. Coming out of turn 12, and suddenly Hamilton is all over Max Verstappen. This could be the title right here as Hamilton switches to the inside, and Verstappen just stays ahead as they now go left-handed and gets the inside line himself. But once again, Hamilton gets a better exit. Now, round 10, 17, Lewis Hamilton and Max Verstappen going wheel to wheel, and Verstappen on the better line, getting away from Hamilton as he goes wide and onto the runoff. And was that the moment that the title today slipped out of Lewis's hands? Max Verstappen keeping us on the edge of our seats here, but if you're only just joining us, it might all be for nothing in terms of a podium place in this Monaco Grand Prix, because he's got a 5-second time penalty coming his way at the end of this race for an unsafe release. So if he finishes behind Hamilton, they'll add 5 seconds to his penalty, and Vettel and Bottas will then overtake him. At the moment, if he finishes ahead of Hamilton, he'll probably still finish off the podium, but he will want to stick a move in just to make a memory.
To be able to double stack the Mercedes during the safety car